everyone, this is Mousumi and you are watching MOUSUMI'S Artistry. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my new video. Today's video is about a famous painting which is called Sahaj. The paintings you see in Sahaj are basically woodcut prints which were done by one of the most famous artists, Sri Nandalal Bose. I am here portraying the first saying of Sahaj, that is Choto Poka Bole O A, in acrylic colors. This is actually a pouch bag which is made of canvas cloth. So this kind of things are much suitable to paint. First of all, I made a rough sketch by a pencil and then applied black and white acrylic colors. Applying all the colors, I dried it very well and now it is ready to use. And now it's time to check out its final look. So this is all for today. This is my first painting on a canvas pouch bag. I hope you all have enjoyed it and gathered some experiences also. If yes, please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.